Yes, YouTube. Welcome back again. And good afternoon. You know, guys, in our previous video, I gave you guys a setup. Unfortunately, we got stopped out, or the setup got stopped out. I didn't got stopped out. I stayed in the trade because I wanted to see more levels got respected or not, right? If we lost the 618 on the 4-hour time frame, then I would close my position. But yesterday we swept sell side liquidity one more time, and you know, I saw a market structure shift on the 50-minute, and I stayed in the trade, and now we're at break even again, guys. So what happened actually with BTC now, right? So I want to give you guys a quick update for today and for the coming week, because we're entering the second week of the month. You guys know that's one of my favorite weeks to trade in case of volume. So, you know, very important levels are respected now, and you can clearly see that we are creating bullish order flow again, right? So guys, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and we're literally looking at the daily time frame now at the moment. And what you can see on the daily is that we retraced the 6786 here perfectly, and that we are going up now at the moment, right? So the thing is, you can see how nicely we bounced on the 786 when you go to the 4-hour time frame. The thing is, I wanted to see if this 618 here is respected or not. That's why I stayed in the trade, right? If you go to my trade here, you can literally see that I'm still in the trade, you know. And you can also see that I'm taking my profits here at buy side liquidity, right? I take 50% of my profits here, so I take out my order size and I let the rest play out, because I think we will see more upside for BTC for the coming week, right? So what I'm expecting for the coming week actually is we go to the daily time frame, or the 4-hour time frame, excuse me. Then what I'm expecting actually for BTC at least is a retracement or a rejection on the 618, as I showed you guys in my previous video, right? Why is that? Because there's a lot of buy side liquidity above this bear flag, right? So actually I'm trading till buy side liquidity to take out my order size, see a retracement, because yeah, there's liquidity, to eventually go to the 618, 96.6k. And I told you guys in my previous videos also is I want to see what's happening here. The bulls need to take over to push it through 106.4k, right? There's a possibility that we reject on the 786 here, because this is a very strong resistance level. But the thing is, there's no liquidity. So I think when the bulls taking over, they come for buy side liquidity here. So again, I'm taking 50% of my trade on buy side liquidity to become risk free, and you know, wait for retracement to eventually go to the 618 at 96.6k. Maybe I take another 20% there, but we have to see what's happening today. It's Monday, you know, Mondays are famous about fake out, so we have to be conscious, you know, do proper risk management, and follow me on X, because I keep you guys updated there. It's very difficult to anticipate the market when you post or when you make videos on certain moments of the day, right? And on X I'm always active, so follow me on X, join the crypto gainers, the links are in the description. If you want to trade this kind of trades with me together and get some nice benefits, go to the link in the description. We have a nice collaboration with MEXC, BTCC, BLOFIN. So again, guys, bullish order flow for BTC. We are a little bit, we can breathe now again, and I'm very positive about the week ahead, right? If you go to Ethereum, I also gave you guys on my X profile a nice entry for Ethereum, and you can see that yeah, we came nicely to the 618 and that we filled this fair value gap. So again, guys, follow me on X, and stay tuned because I will post more videos like this, right? So guys, I thank you all for watching. Smash up the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on X. Join the crypto gainers. Get your benefits of the links in the description. MEXC, BTCC, BLOFIN. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.